And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. I'm going to do hopefully a quick video just showing a technique that I've been using lately to edit some of my images. Now, you may have heard of dodge and burning in relation to the darkroom and printing on paper, where you dodge and burn certain parts of the image to either brighten it or darken it. Now, I must admit, I saw somebody doing this on YouTube using Photoshop, and I thought, I wonder if I can do it in Lightroom. So we can, in nearly as good a way, but I find it quite useful. So what we've got a image here on screen. We'll go into the develop module, and just for a start, I'm just going to crop it down so we've got what we're going to do is lighten the belly, darken the top and darken this, and we're going to use the masking module. Now, there is some presets in here. So if I just go to brush, because we're going to use a brush, and you've got this section here that says presets. If you click it down, now there is a dodge lighten and a burn darken. So if I go dodge lighten, and all it does, as you can see, it increases the exposure. So if I then put a on here, and you can see if we'll take it up for that we can see. But as you can see, it lightens everything. Even if I went onto this light bit, it's just going to lighten it completely. If we get rid of this, go to the brush. If you went to burn darken, all it's done is drop the exposure down. But just make it a bit more obvious. So yes, it will darken this down here, but also it will darken the shadows. So everything's getting darkened. Okay. And a brush. Let's put this to reset. But what we're going to look at is brightening like the midtone. So what we're going to go down to is the curve. We're going to click in the middle of the curve. We're going to lighten it up. So we're going to bring that curve up. And we can lighten this here. If we go to the bright bits, it's doing nothing, because that's in this higher section here. Yes, we're affecting it a little bit, but it's this middle bit that we're affecting. So we can brighten these bits like so. And we've got this amount slider, so we can increase that if we want, like so. Now to bring these down, create another brush. Do a reset. We'll come down to the curve, and we're going to bring down the curve. Now you can modify this curve however you want. And all we're doing is bringing down the mids. If we go into the darks, it's not going to make any difference. So what we can do along here, we can just bring down the brightest bits. Now, if for some reason you suddenly go over and you think, oh no, I don't want to do that. If we show the overlay, it's gone. Wrong one. Subtract, select background, and it will get rid of that for you, so you can easily do that. So just using these two curves, we can affect the midtones. So if we wanted to darken this area here, remember you need the brush before the removal, and we can darken that down. We can darken this bit down here, bring the brush a bit larger, and we can darken this whole bit. Now then, if you wanted to darken this high section, let's do another brush. Just reset this just for things. So we could bring this bit down and just darken the highlights. So you can adjust this wherever you want. So we could bring this down a bit more. All right, it's going to be a bit too much there, but then you're not affecting these highs again. So you've got a bit more control. What you can do with these, go back to that one, you can create your own preset. So set current. Now I've created two in there myself. You can also, if you want, is create a preset. So if we remove all these, delete all masks, we go brush, do a reset, come down here, that mid down, and what I would do, make your brush as small as possible, just put a dot in the corner, that will create that. Do your brush again, reset it just to make sure nothing's there. Bring this up again, don't anything. So we've got both brushes here. Yeah, we can come out of this and here, create a preset. We'll call it dodge and burn. We'll check none. We'll just do masking. We can use a presets and go create. Yeah. So if we reset this, delete all masks. Now we've got no masks in there. Nothing's been done to this. I'm going to user presets. Dodge and burn. Click on that. We've then got these two masks created. So we can click on this first one. You can see it's going to darken. We could name it if we want. Bring our brush. This will darken down all the bits we want to darken down. So, then mask 2, which we know is going to lighten everything. Let's say we want to lighten this just to add some interest. And there we go. Quick way just to do some dodge and burning using Lightroom. And say you can create a preset. And then you could name these masks if you want to. And one burn. Dodge. Then you know which ones are on. So that was as quick as I could make it. Quick look at just using the curves in Lightroom masking section to do dodge and burning. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. That helps the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.